Hi guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'll be showing you a simple way to build a booking system for real estate. To begin, scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to JotForm, a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. JotForm offers a wide range of features that make it ideal for building a booking system. With its drag-and-drop form builder, you can easily customize your forms to collect registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Additionally, JotForm provides over 150 integrations with popular apps, giving you flexibility in managing your bookings. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. After completing the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your JotForm account. Now, to create a booking system for real estate using JotForm, start by clicking on the Create Form button located either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will bring up 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Import Form, and Create a Signable Document. For this tutorial, we will begin by starting the form from scratch. Click on the Start from Scratch option, which will then take you to another window where you can select the layout of the form. Choose the Classic Form option and you will be directed to the editor. Give the form a name, such as Booking System for Real Estate. Next, add an element to the form by navigating to the left side and clicking on the Add Form Element option. In this case, we will add an email field, so click on the Email option. The email field will now be added to the form. After adding the email field, scroll down and click on the Appointment option to add it to the form as well. Once you have added both email and appointment fields to the form, it's time to publish it. To publish your form, click on the Publish section. This will take you to the Publish section where you can choose to share or embed your form. Click on the Copy Link option to copy the link and share it with others. Alternatively, you can open the form in a new tab by selecting the Open in New Tab option, allowing visitors to enter their email address and choose an appointment. You can also invite people to view your form by entering their email address in the Invite by Email field. Additionally, you have the option to share the app on social media platforms like Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and LinkedIn, or even download a QR code that, when scanned, will install the app on a mobile phone. To embed your form into a website, click on the Embed section in the left menu. From there, click on the Copy Code button to copy the code and then embed it into any website you choose. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.